Welcome back to Autoscope. Texas 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome. Outside, robust design, the Actros' unique front cabin will stay, but the rear will be completely redesigned with seamless body panels. Doors and windows, the sides will be lined with several huge, double-glazed windows with a dark tint. The main entrance is usually on the side. Automatic awning, the sides will have sizable awnings that pull back on their own. External storage compartments, the vehicle has many large, lockable storage areas. For storing outdoor equipment, LED lighting system utilizes energy-efficient, brilliant LED technology. Interior high-end materials, using the best materials is standard practice. Pilot chairs, the passenger and driver seats, which are wrapped in leather, will be incredibly ergonomic. Advanced technology, the dashboard will be equipped with a large infotainment touchscreen, a 360-degree camera, an integrated navigation system, and Mercedes-Benz driving assistance systems. Ambient lighting, a system of LED lights that can change color to create different moods. Kitchen, full-size refrigerator and freezer, induction cooktop, convection oven, microwave, dishwasher, and built-in coffee maker. Plenty of cabinets and drawers with soft close locks provide storage space. Double sinks, stainless steel or composite double sinks. A large bed with a good mattress that can typically be lifted for storage underneath is called a king or queen size bed. There are plenty of built-in shelves, drawers, and a closet for storage. Mercedes-Benz engine, powering the RV and, if required, towing a trailer is a powerful and efficient Mercedes-Benz diesel engine, typically a 6-cylinder inline unit with enough horsepower. Automatic gearbox, this gearbox is smooth and fast. Air suspension, the car's full air suspension provides excellent ride comfort and allows it to level itself when parked. Driver assistance systems, modern Actros trucks are equipped with safety and driver assistance features. Diesel generator, a potent onboard diesel generator capable of producing power independently.